In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your oil life on a Ford Escape. You want to insert your key into the ignition, turn it all the way on, just don't start it. Then you want to come over to the left side of your steering wheel and use the arrow button left. Once you come up to this screen, you want to go down to settings, arrow right, then down to vehicle, arrow right, down to oil change life, right, and then press and hold the OK button. Once it says it's successful, remove your finger from the OK button and then turn your key off.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.